Let's take a look at the new and improved HSP app. Download from the App Store to get started. Click on Create an Account. Select the make and model of your ute. Enter the serial number that you can find on your roller cover. And if you have any other HSP products, make sure to select it so you can be kept updated for any related information. After this, follow the prompts to verify your email, and then log in. Under the Control tab, with 2 fingers, double tap the touchpad to start the connection process. The buttons will start blinking red. Once successfully synced, a green drop-down notification will notify you. Under Settings, select Roll Cover Settings to have control over LED brightness, LED duration, toggle auto lock and time duration, as well as central locking controls. Going back to the Settings menu, we can view App Action Analytics. This page gives you a full activity overview for your rollout cover, giving you real-time insights for all operational and lighting function. Back again, we can also access Siri shortcuts. Once enabled, you can control your cover hands-free. Just ask Siri to open, close, pause, and even control the lighting. At the top of the settings page, you'll see the Firmware Update section. If an update is available, tap Download, then press Install. Stay within range of your roller cover and don't leave this page while it's downloading. We also send firmware update notifications to your app. If there's a critical update available, tap the bell icon in the top right to go directly to the Firmware Update page. You're now on the latest firmware. Some other cool additions to this updated app is that we now have a profile section, which is handy to keep track of important info such as your serial number, a service page, which shows you some quick links and guides, and lastly, an explore page, which allows you to browse through the HSP website so you can see the latest promotions, products, and browse the whole ecosystem. Click the link and get started with the new HSP app today.